So before we start, here's what one looks like. So you're going to get a problem where it tells you to divide one thing by another. Fraction is division. So that would mean to divide this thing on top by this thing on the bottom. All right. And most of the time when you do this, you're saying this is a factor, what's left over. And this helps you do factoring with really, really complicated things. So we set up a long division problem. All right. Which when we set up a long division problem, we take the thing we're dividing by, we put it underneath a division looking thing. All right. Kind of looks like a square here, but it's not. And we divide it by thing on the bottom of the fraction, or we're dividing by. All right, and then we just kind of have to go through and we use multiplication, the opposite of division, to go through and kind of piece this thing together. All right, now me describing this is not going to be incredibly helpful. I'm going to actually do one, all right, with you guys in class, and then I'll probably do more than one. And then the videos are here to help you. But the big thing to remember is that every time you do one of these steps, you're subtracting. All right, so when I do this right here, I do x to the third minus x to the third, and there's nothing left over. This is the goal. Each time you want the first thing to drop out like that. All right, so when we start doing these, that's the first thing we're going to focus on. How do we get these things to match up so that I can get something to drop out?